everybody, I just want to show you, I'm sitting in here on my kitchen floor. I want to do this quick video to show you how to take this off the GoPro Karma drone without using the GPS, okay? So you can fly it without the GPS. It's real simple. Just turn on the drone, turn on the transmitter. I did that part already to save some time. Yeah, turn on the drone, turn that on, no problem. Easy peasy. And then when you get to your screen right here, only thing you have to do is hit this button, I can't see what is it, the start stop button. Yeah, that start stop button right there. Just hit that. And it's going to make you put your fingerprint on there. You just hold that. Then you hit it again. 3, and it'll start the motors.
1.
And then you just take off, which I'm not going to do in my kitchen. But believe me, if I hit up on the stick, it's going. It's taking off. So you can just fly it in altitude mode. You don't need the GPS. So if I don't take off in a X amount of time, it's just gonna, it's just gonna kill the motors, just like a lot of the quads do. Most of the DJI, or all of the DJI ones. If you manually start them, they won't run forever. Okay, I got you. Yeah, if you manually start them, they won't run forever. They'll just shut off after like X amount of seconds. So that's all you do. Hold your finger on there. Hold it again.
3, 2, 1.
So there you go. Real simple. And you can tap to auto takeoff, which we're not doing. Okay, so that's not happening. But anyway, so not all is lost. Not all is lost if they don't fix that problem. You can always just fly this thing, and the signal is going to come in on the screen. You're going to get your transmission signal through the screen, so you're going to be able to fly. You're just not going to be able to use the return to home. So just don't get lost. Okay, you can't fly out there a mile and then go, oh, I don't know where the drone is. I'll just hit return to home and it'll be okay. Well, that's not going to work without the GPS. So. All right, guys, there you go. I just wanted to show you that real quick. Have a nice day.